Alright. Alright.
Here we are.
This is a microwave. This is aluminum foil. I think you know where I'm going with this. Wait. Let's just do.
Power level.
Let's just do 10 minutes. Starting now. Wait. Oh, freak, no!
Ah! Oh my god.
Wait. Hold this.
Do it. Blast it.
Hit it.
Oh, we're done.
That is crazy, bro.
Levi, I would get away from that. I think it's still going.
Okay, let's see the aftermath.
Oh my god.
Guys, hold on.
Hold
Levi, hold on, move.
There's the ball.
Oh, no.
Really? That's it?
That is.
Oh, frick.
You want to end the video, Levi?
No, I don't.
Let me at it.
Yeah.